Electromagnetic radiation refers to the energy that is propagated through space in the form of electromagnetic waves. These waves are created by the movement of electrically charged particles, such as electrons. Electromagnetic radiation includes a wide range of phenomena, from low-energy radio waves to high-energy gamma rays, and it encompasses the entire electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves, these have the longest wavelengths and are used for communication, including broadcasting, Wi-Fi, and cellular signals. Microwaves, used in microwave ovens, telecommunications, and radar systems. Infrared radiation, felt as heat and used in applications like night vision devices and remote controls. Visible light, the portion of the spectrum that can be detected by the human eye, consisting of various colors with different wavelengths. Ultraviolet, UV, radiation, beyond the violet end of the visible spectrum, UV radiation has shorter wavelengths and can cause sunburn and damage to DNA. X-rays, high-energy radiation used in medical imaging, such as X-ray machines and CT scans. Gamma rays are the highest energy electromagnetic radiation, often emitted by radioactive materials and in nuclear reactions. Each type of electromagnetic radiation has its unique properties, uses, and interactions with matter. For example, visible light allows us to see the world around us, while X-rays are used for medical diagnostics, and radio waves enable wireless communication. Understanding and harnessing electromagnetic radiation is fundamental in modern technology and science across various fields, from telecommunications and astronomy to medicine and materials science. Thanks for watching.